In the digital age, a fast internet connection is essential for a smooth online experience. However, even with the right plan, various factors like weak Wi-Fi signal, problem with Wi-Fi router, background apps, and browser cache can drag down your internet speed. If you're frustrated by slow internet speeds, here are some simple and effective ways to boost your internet speed. Browse the web, stream videos, and download files faster and get the most out of your internet connection. Before deciding on how to boost internet speed in your computer, first you need to figure out the current scores. There are several ways to check your internet speed on a Windows computer. Using ping command and online speed test tools allows you to assess the current state of your internet connection. This baseline helps in identifying if your internet is performing within the expected range. The location of your router can make a big difference in your internet speed and signal strength. Place your router in a central location to ensure the best Wi-Fi signal distribution. This helps in minimizing signal interference and improving overall connectivity. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi network on your laptop, check the Wi-Fi signal. If it's weak, you may experience slow internet speed even if you have a good internet plan. And you need to get closer to your router or move the router closer to your laptop. This is an easy and effective way to speed up your internet connection. Your router's firmware and software are the programs that control its functions and security features. If they are outdated or corrupted, they can affect your router's performance and expose it to cyber attacks. To avoid this, you should regularly check for updates from your router's manufacturer and install them as soon as possible. You can usually do this by accessing your router's settings through a web browser or a mobile app. Manufacturers release updates to address bugs, enhance security, and optimize performance, ensuring your equipment operates at its best for faster and more stable internet speeds. Browsers store temporary files and cookies to improve loading times, but an excess of these files can slow down your internet experience. Regularly clearing browser cache and cookies in your browser removes unnecessary data, preventing slowdowns and optimizing the browser's performance. You feel faster loading times. Open Chrome settings, navigate privacy and security, then click on clear browsing data. Select time range all time. Make sure that all the necessary cache data is checked, browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Then click clear data. In addition, click on About Chrome to update the browser latest version. Sometimes, the culprit behind slow internet speed is not your connection but your device. If you have too many applications or tabs running in the background, they can consume a lot of bandwidth and leave less for your main tasks. Open Task Manager, navigate to the Performance tab and click on Open Resource Monitor at the bottom of the Task Manager. Navigate to the Network tab and look out for programs with higher values under the Send and Receive columns. These programs affect the internet speed by taking up most of the bandwidth. Right-click the task you want to terminate and select End Process from the context menu. If you want to get the best possible internet speed, nothing beats a wired connection. Using an Ethernet cable to connect your device to your router can eliminate any wireless interference and provide a more stable and faster connection. To use an Ethernet cable, you need to have an Ethernet port on both your device and your router. If you don't have one, you can use an adapter or a docking station. Then, simply plug one end of the cable into your device and the other end into your router. Again, viruses, spyware, or malware infections can also result high bandwidth usage that not only slows down your computer performance but also you notice slow internet speed as well. Again, if your system not been updated a long time or you are using older web browser on your computer, that might impact internet speed. We recommend perform full system scan for virus malware infection. You can use Windows Defender to scan your PC for viruses. If you are using a third-party antivirus program, you can also scan your PC for the virus, and the slow internet issue should be solved by now. In addition, check for and install latest Windows updates can contribute to a faster and more secure internet experience. Updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and security enhancements that can positively impact your overall system and internet speed. Updating your web browser is important for a faster and more secure internet experience. Browser updates often include performance enhancements, bug fixes, and security patches that can improve the overall speed and reliability of your online activity. Changing DNS addresses can significantly improve internet speed by accelerating the process of translating domain names into IP addresses. Opting for faster DNS servers, such as Google's or Cloudflare's, reduces the time it takes to locate websites, resulting in quicker loading times and a more responsive browsing experience. This simple adjustment can have a notable impact on overall internet responsiveness and efficiency. Device drivers are an essential part of your computer, and you need to make sure it's updated and the latest version installed to get the best performance from it. If you have an older or outdated Wi-Fi driver installed on your computer, you need to update or reinstall the network driver to address bugs and improve performance. You can open Device Manager to locate the network adapter. Right-click on it, select the Update Driver option. Also visit device manufacturer's website to download and install Wi-Fi adapter driver for your laptop. The Internet Connections Troubleshooter in Windows can be helpful in identifying and resolving common connectivity issues. It's a built-in tool that automatically detects and attempts to fix problems related to network connections. Running the Troubleshooter can address issues such as DNS problems, network adapter conflicts, and other common connectivity issues, making it a useful first step when troubleshooting internet connection problems on a Windows PC. Many web pages are clustered with internet ads. Ads these days can be images, videos, or animations, all of which can take up considerable bandwidth. By using an ad blocker, you can still get to the content you are looking for without wasting your precious internet bandwidth. Restarting your router or modem can often fix slow internet speeds. I do it every 2 to 3 months. Sluggish router performance could be a caching issue or a bug in the router's firmware. But sometimes my internet connection simply gets slow for no reason at all. Limiting the number of devices connected to your Wi-Fi network helps prevent bandwidth congestion and ensures a faster and more stable internet connection for each device. Sometimes, disabling a VPN, virtual private network, may help improve internet speed in some cases. VPNs can introduce additional latency due to the encryption and routing of traffic through servers. Disabling the VPN removes this layer, potentially leading to a faster and more direct connection to the internet. However, it's important to consider the trade-off between speed and the security, privacy benefits provided by the VPN, and whether the VPN is necessary for your specific online activities. If all else fails, reaching out to your internet service provider is a crucial step. They can conduct a thorough analysis of your connection, identify any issues on their end, and provide solutions to ensure a consistent and fast internet experience. By following these steps, you create an environment where your devices can access the internet more efficiently, leading to a faster and more responsive online experience. If you are watching till end, don't forget to share your feedback on comments below. You are just amazing. Thanks for watching.